Hi, I'm Paavan Gandhi, and I've just finished my first year of Product Design and Management at Aston University.
Hello, and I'm Dennis Mann, and I do automotive product design at Aston University.
My name is Kazumi Fukaura, and I am currently a first-year industrial product design student in Aston University.
I absolutely love product design because it gives you the opportunity to find solutions to problems and also design something that is well thought out and refined to the extent that a product can enrich or have the potential to change the lives of users when they interact with it.
And I chose to do this course overall because I've always wanted to start designing things from paper, work on it, developing it further and further until you have a proper product that someone can buy in the shop, and that sounds really exciting.
I believe product design is a course that allows me to be creative and innovative. At the same time, it gives me the opportunity to make something useful.
I've gained skills like SolidWorks, drawing skills.
I'm pretty sure that my drawing skills have got better. We started from the fundamentals and gradually worked up and added new techniques for better sketches. It's nice to see an emphasis away from just CAD work and actually focusing on the drawing.
You do advanced engineering maths, it's just built upon A-level maths.
Become much more effective at the moment of presenting my designs. Also, I have become more confident in the use of softwares like SolidWorks, Photoshop.
Model making is a huge part of it as well. You need to be able to show what your product is going to look like and how it can function.
Something that wasn't really advertised all that much when I applied was the research and other methods of analysis that we get taught before actually starting the design process. With the other stuff that we've learnt, I can now find gaps in the market where a product is more likely to be commercially viable and there's user demand. Also, how to analyse what users would want and reactions to a design. All really interesting to consider when you're going through the design process. The specialist design project was in Mumbai, but was really open so you could focus on any area that would appeal to people that were there. So I looked at urban populations and how in the low income or deprived social areas people were being placed into new built housing. However, they didn't like it because of the lack of community aspect. So when I designed something with a community-centric theme.
In my Mumbai project, we just got given the word Mumbai, everyone researched about it, and everyone ended up making different products. I created a bus because I'm doing automotive.
The second one is a water filter that I call SafeSafe. It is attachable to any discardable plastic bottle and has a purpose of providing safe and affordable water to Mumbai slums. Apart from purifying water with solar water disinfection process, it is BPA free and deployable.
The course at Aston really appealed to me because of its industry focus and understanding of what you need to do to succeed once you're out there. Certain modules in the course use a learning framework called CDIO, which is a learning by doing approach, and that made much more sense to me since design is quite a practical subject. I didn't see many other universities teaching in this sort of style, and besides, in the real world we're usually working in teams, and at Aston we're collaborating with mechanical engineering students on some projects, so it's really good preparation for that. It just makes sense.
The CDIO part of the course is huge. On the tasks that you are given, you are not able to do everything yourself, so you need people from an engineering background and a design background to get the best out of your team.
By working side by side with engineering students in my CDIO module, I have learned the importance of maintaining a good communication and a sensible relation with my teammates.
Every term when you're brought into a new project, you're told loads of things to help you with your project, and it's down to you to use that knowledge to help you work better on your project and make better products.
The projects that are set are really cool, like building an electric racing car and a wind turbine.
We designed and made wind turbines, like proper functioning wind turbines, which was really cool. Starting from designing the beams, calculating on whether it would break or not, which was really difficult, but you really learn lots.
What I enjoyed the most out of this year was applying and considering other aspects of a product into the design, such as engineering principles and calculations, to see whether my design would actually work. Now when I'm designing something, I can actually visualize how forces may affect the final product.
For the development of each project, there's always difficulties to overcome, and knowledge that can't be gained without practical experience, which is special about this course.
I've enjoyed meeting loads of new people at the university from many backgrounds and places. It's such an eye-opener, really.
I've enjoyed just designing. The project briefs are really open and let me explore areas that I really feel like tackling.
It is not just design, but also deep research, be aware of social, political, economical aspects, the cultural context, the engineering, applied marketing, and much more things that are involved in the whole process. It is enjoyable, but at the same time constantly challenging.
And actually, it's more than just design, but it's considering marketing, commercial viability, and technical stuff. All the aspects actually important to successfully designing your products.